happen. Stop saying you ain't gonna do it. Stop saying God ain't gonna fix it. Stop saying God ain't gonna turn it around. You keep speaking that thing into existence. You keep speaking until it's in your shundo. Keep on speaking. Keep on speaking it over and over again. People say, I don't believe that's gonna happen to you. It ain't for them. Get away from those people. Ain't going nowhere, ain't doing nothing, want to sit in the same old spot watching you beg. Because they so afraid that you're going to overtake them. You're going to overtake them and be better than them. That's what they think. But I'm going to tell you something. You keep on speaking it. You keep on saying it. Every time you go downtown, you dress yourself up. Every time you go to a restaurant, you look good. And they talking about you. Let the naysayers talk. You heard what Brian Bartimaeus said. He said, you talked about me. You backstabbers, you backbiters. All you did was talk about me. Now God is raising me up, and now here it is. You want to get in my square? No, I was a chicken head there, but you thought you was a rooster. You thought that you was an eagle. But no, you're the chicken head now, and I'm flying with the eagle. Glory be to God. Glory be to God. It's your time to shine. It's your time to stop begging. It's your time to get up and get what God has for you. Let them talk if they want to talk. Let them say whatever they want to say. They're going to talk anyway. They're going to talk about you anyway. Sometimes the people in your same old church going to talk about you. Let them talk.
You better say that.
Some people on your job going to talk about you. Let them talk.
Teach now. You teach them.
You let them talk. You let them talk and let God be God and do what He want to do in your life, because what God is going to get the glory out of your life. Every time I look around, you always struggling and carrying on, talking about what God is doing in your life.
Go ahead, say it.
What God is doing. What is God doing in your life? You still on public assistance. That's all right. You just keep watching me.
You better say that.
You just keep on watching me, because greater is He. Yeah, I heard you say all that before. But I'm going to tell you again, greater is He that is in me than he that is in the world. I'm going to tell you about the God that I serve. You got to go through something to get something. I don't mind going through something to get something, because what God gives me will outlast what you got. Hallelujah. Hallelujah, Jesus. People talking about they with you and carrying on and talking about you behind your back. No. Hold the presence. Hold the presence right there.
Come on now.
Hold the presence right there. On front page, you say, God did it.